Let's talk about clutches. Clutch is a mechanical device and it is used to connect or disconnect power from engine to the wheels. Design of single plate friction clutch. This is a friction plate and this is the front view and this is the side view. You can see there is uniform pressure in axial direction. This radius is R1 and this radius is R2. There are two theories to calculate torque transmitting capacity of a clutch: uniform pressure theory and uniform wear theory. We will talk about uniform pressure theory. In this theory, we assume pressure is constant. Let's consider an element of thickness dr at a radius r. Elemental area is equal to dA. We can find the area by multiplying perimeter with the thickness. So dA is equal to 2 pi r into dr. 2 pi r is the perimeter and dr is the thickness. So dA is equal to 2 pi r dr. Let's say axial force on the element is equal to dF. We know force equal to pressure into area, right? So dF equal to P into dA. So dF equal to P into 2 pi r dr. This is the axial force on the element. To get total axial force on the plate, we integrate it. Integral dF is equal to integral P 2 pi r dr. As we assumed, pressure is constant and 2 pi is a numerical constant. So we can take this out and we are left with integral r dr in between limits r1 and r2. And we know integral r is r square by 2. So total force is equal to pi p r2 square minus r1 square. Torque due to friction force. If we assume the direction of rotation of clutch is in this direction, then the friction force will be in the opposite direction and it will act at a distance of r from the center. Friction force on the element is equal to coefficient of friction into normal force. Let's say coefficient of friction is mu and normal force is the axial force only. So dFF is equal to mu times P 2 pi r dr and torque is equal to force into radial distance. So torque due to friction force is equal to friction force into r. So dt is equal to dFF times r. dFF is equal to this value, so dt is equal to mu P 2 pi r square dr. To get total torque, we integrate dt. Integral dt is equal to integral mu P 2 pi r square dr. Mu is constant over the entire friction clutch and P is constant and 2 pi is numerical constant. So we can take this out. So mu P 2 pi and we are left with integral r square dr in between limits r1 and r2. Integral r square is equal to r cube by 3. So torque is equal to 2 by 3 mu P pi r2 cube minus r1 cube. This is the total torque that can be transmitted from the clutch.